This is Dr. Bob Sellani, founder of the Northern Arizona Blues Alliance and drummer for the band Big Daddy D and the Dynamites. I would like to thank Collision Drumsticks for the opportunity to showcase their products. I use 5A and 7A sticks depending on the size of the room, and am a blues drummer, but I have my roots in jazz. My favorite drummer is Buddy Rich, and I had the opportunity to meet him, and it was an unforgettable experience. So why do I endorse Collision Drumsticks? I do so because I find them superior to my current brand in terms of balance, feel, and durability. Plus, they aren't all lacquered up, which I wind up sanding away anyway. I've been playing with Collision now for about 2 weeks, essentially every 3 days, and they have yet to splinter. I've also been impressed by Collision's professionalism, ranging from the website and follow-up emails into the interview process, which mine was about 30 minutes with Jasmine, to the onboarding process, which led me to create this video.